Yes, to start with launching of the browser, even as we discussed earlier in the setup, you need third-party CXEs for each of the browsers that you are going to interact with. You need to download it from Selenium HQ website and keep it in a path of your project. Now we need to call the line of code system.setProperty which take two arguments. The first argument should be the key and the second argument should be the value. The first argument should be like WebDriver dot Chrome.driver if I am working with Chrome, and Chrome.driver everything should be in small, and then the second argument should be the path of the exe that we have copied. You might be copying it from Selenium HQ.dev site. You might have downloaded it and extracted it, and you need to keep it in drivers folder of your project. Now give the path of the exe completely. Chrome driver is the class that will be enabling you to open the Chrome browser. Now create the object for Chrome driver class so that you can launch the Chrome browser. The lines of code should be Chrome driver is equal to new Chrome driver. Open and close parenthesis for the constructor and then semicolon at the end. This completes launching the browser. Once you execute this in a Java main method or a test-ng test annotation, you are good to go with launching the browser. And then to maximize the browser again, you have a line of code. Here, like you are not going to maximize some other browser. You are going to maximize the browser that you have launched. So the line of code will be using the driver object that you have created in the above line. It should be like driver dot manage is the method that should be called, then and open and close as it is a method dot window. You are going to manage the window. So the method name is window, open and close, dot maximize. Maximize is again another method. This will enable you or allow you to maximize the browser that you have launched. Then the implicitly wait. This is the wait that we are discussing about, waiting for the page to load. This will allow you to wait for the browser page to load until your page loading completes. This again should be added to your driver that you have opened. So you can use the object as driver, and then you are going to manage, call manage method dot timeouts. Timeouts is the option that you are going to add to the particular browser. And here that method should be open and close dot implicitly wait, I small and W caps. Remember this. Most of us write W small when you are writing it in interviews or when you are typing in the browser or in the IDE. And then in that you need to give two arguments. One, the unit of time, and then what is the unit that you are going to use. That is 30, comma time unit, T caps and U caps dot seconds, all caps. Close the parenthesis and semicolon at the end. This will complete your adding the particular implicitly wait. Then we need to launch the URL. To launch the URL or to open the application that you are going to work with, you have a method implemented in WebDriver which is get. Get will take the URL that you are going to launch and it will allow you to launch. The line of code will be driver.get. You need to give the URL that you are going to give along with HTTP protocol. If HTTP protocol is not there, you are expected to encounter with or to stop with an exception. Always remember HTTP protocol is mandatory here. Getting the title of the browser. As I said, like we'll have the title at the top of the browser which needs to be tested against the expected value, which needs to be verified or validated against the expected value. So to get the title of the browser, you have a method called as getTitle, which enables you to get the string of the title of the particular browser object page, which is displayed on the top. And then getCurrentURL is the method to get the URL that is currently displayed in your URL box. This again returns your string value of a particular URL. And these two methods should be used on your driver object. It is like driver.getTitle, as you see in the above image and above in the video, and getCurrentURL, driver.getCurrentURL, G small, C caps, and URL U caps. In getTitle, T will be caps and G will be small. These are the naming conventions that Java follows, and Selenium methods also follows the same because we are using Selenium with Java. And then to close the current browser, you need to use driver.close. If you have to close all the windows that you have opened in a particular browser, you need to use the method driver.quit, as it is shown in the video. For now, if you are going to close the browser, instead of using driver.close, you can use driver.quit, which closes both the exe along with the browser class. Thank you.